Moldova hidden between Romania and Ukraine. Moldova is the quiet song of Eastern Europe, soft, slow, and deeply human. A country that doesn't try to be grand. It simply is, honest, earthy, and untouched by the noise of modern tourism. Here, the roads don't lead to monuments. They lead to vineyards, villages, and memories. Begin in Chisinau, the capital that moves to its own pace. Wide boulevards meet crumbling Soviet blocks, leafy parks open into open-air cafes, and in between, a hum of daily life, real and unpolished. Stroll through Cellar Central Park, feel the rhythm of old trams, and drink in the scent of roasted sunflower seeds and sweet plums. But Moldova's true heart lies outside the city. Head underground, yes, underground, to Craiova and Milesti Mici, home to some of the largest wine cellars in the world. Here, bottles rest in limestone tunnels stretching for hundreds of kilometers. Sip wine where cosmonauts and presidents have toasted, and feel the silence of the earth aging each drop with patience and pride. In Orheioveci, time folds gently. Carved into cliffs above the Route River, ancient cave monasteries whisper prayers into the wind. Stand here at sunrise and the land feels sacred, like something older than language, older than borders. Travel to Tipova, where waterfalls tumble beside rock-hewn sanctuaries, and walk through villages where bread is still baked in clay ovens and life follows the rhythm of harvests and seasons. In Transnistria, a breakaway region suspended in time, Soviet relics still stand, and Lenin statues still watch over silent squares. It's surreal, complex, and strangely serene, a slice of the past that challenges what you think you know about the present. And then there's the countryside. Rolling hills, blanketed in sunflowers and vineyards, horse-drawn carts creaking down dirt roads, old women selling honey and herbs, smiling with eyes that have seen war, peace, and everything in between. Moldova is not flashy. It is subtle, soulful, and sincere. It's the taste of homemade wine poured from an old plastic jug in a stranger's home. It's the laughter shared over fresh cheese, pickled vegetables, and mamaliga. It's a language spoken in gesture, in hospitality, in warmth. Moldova doesn't show off. It welcomes. Not to impress, but to connect. This is a land for travelers who seek stories, not selfies. For those who believe the richest experiences come without a filter, and the most beautiful places don't need a spotlight. Moldova is not a destination. It's a secret told gently. A quiet walk into the heart of humanity. If this journey stirred something still and sincere in your soul, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.